These areas in Gauteng will have no electricity for 9 hours on Tuesday. Eskom has announced a planned electricity supply interruption in Zonkizizwe, Gauteng, to facilitate essential maintenance on the distribution network. On Tuesday, the 23rd of January, Eskom will implement a scheduled outage affecting customers in Zonkizizwe Zones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Nkanini. Maintenance activities will begin at 9 o'clock and extend until 1800 hours. This proactive Gauteng electricity interruption is imperative for Eskom to conduct crucial maintenance on the distribution power lines. It ensures the continued reliability and safety of the electrical infrastructure in the region. In the interest of safety, customers are advised to treat all electrical appliances as live at all times during the power supply outage, said Eskom. Eskom appreciates the cooperation of its customers during this necessary maintenance operation. The utility is implementing a temporary power supply interruption to ensure the long-term functionality of the electrical infrastructure in Zonkizizwe. The utility company extends gratitude to affected residents for their understanding. It also apologizes for any inconvenience that may arise from this essential maintenance. Eskom remains committed to providing a stable and reliable electricity supply to its customers in Zonkizizwe and across the Gauteng province. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.